In today's video, I'll teach you how to buy Walmart gift cards online. So first of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in this link www.walmart.com/cp gift-cards. Press enter. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the official website of Walmart. If you do not want to type in the link, you can also simply type in Walmart gift cards. Press enter. Now after you do that, you'll be able to see the link provided by Walmart itself. Click on this link, e-gift cards and physical gift cards. Now after you do that too, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Now you'll be able to see various gift cards options over here. You'll be able to find various options right over here. So what you have to do is simply click on the type of gift card that you would like to buy. Now after you do that, you'll be able to see the detail regarding the gift card over here. You can also select the design if you want. Now what you have to do is simply select the card amount. You'll be able to see the card amount over here. Click on the amount of your choice, or you can also enter a custom amount over here. Now if you scroll down, you'll be able to see the key item features over here. If you click on this option specs, you'll also be able to see the specs, gift card format, expiration, etc. So what you have to do is click on this option continue that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, what you have to do is simply enter the recipient details over here. If you selected the e-gift card, you'll have to enter the email. If you selected the physical gift card, you'll have to enter the address over here. Here I've selected the e-gift card, so what you have to do is simply enter the recipient email. Now after you do that, you can also select the number of e-gift cards. For this gift card, you'll be able to add up to 2 recipients. Now after you do that, scroll down. Now enter the sender name over here. Now if you want to enter the gift card message, you can enter it in this field. Click on the field of e-gift card message. Now what you have to do is simply enter the gift card message over here. Now after you do that, click on the continue option that you can see on the screen. Now after that, what you have to do is simply enter your payment details. Provide your payment information. If you select the option for card, you'll have to provide the card details. Now after you complete the payment, simply follow through the prompts in order to confirm the purchase. Now after you do that, your order will be placed and the recipient should be able to receive the gift card. So like this, you'll be able to buy the gift card. So that is how you buy Walmart gift card. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.